Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fried egg omelet. First, gather your ingredients: 2 or 3 fresh eggs, a pat of butter, and any fillings you desire, like cheese or vegetables. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, about 8 inches in diameter, and a flexible spatula ready to go. Having everything prepared makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. For a fluffier omelet, you can add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. Whisk the eggs vigorously with a fork or whisk until the yolks and whites are completely combined and the mixture is a uniform pale yellow. This aeration is key to a light texture. Next, heat your pan. Melt about 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it's shimmering but not browned. Pour the whisked egg mixture into the hot pan. As the edges begin to set, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center with your spatula, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. Once the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist on top, add your desired fillings, such as shredded cheese or sautéed vegetables, to 1/2 of the omelet. Cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing the fillings to warm. Then, carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula and slide it onto a plate. Serve your delicious omelet immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.